is going to be this place called the Ice Cream Shop. I'm assuming it's a ghost kitchen for something. I'm not sure yet what it is, but this one is $9 going 5 miles. Okay, this might be a gas station. No, actually, this is 7-Eleven. Yeah, it's 7-Eleven. Also, I just got an order as I'm pulling up. It is a Black Rock coffee, $8 going an extra 2.5 miles. I will take that. Thank you.
Hi there. Thank you.
They definitely took their sweet time at the Black Rock coffee there.
Okay. I'll take that tour.
Thank you. Next order up is a Jack in the Box. This one is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And this one's going like 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Total for that one was just under $8. That was pretty good. This is a Donut Nook going 9 miles, and it's leaving me somewhere I don't want to be.
Good morning.
Good morning. We got Brianna.
I do.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Total for that one was $12. Meh. I mean, they did tip, but could have been worse. Next up is an IHOP. This one's going 5.5 miles. Total for that one was $11. Ooh, that was a really good one. And got this right away. This is a Mr. Maple Donuts going just under 2 miles. Total for that one was $5 and change. I mean, it only took like 10 minutes tops. That was a really quick one, so I'll take it. Next up is a stacked McDonald's. These are going just under 6 miles.
Cars do, but you're pretty loud.
I know exactly where this second drop-off is, and there are no tipper, so hoping the first one was a tipper. Yep, I was right. No tip on that one. But total for those two was $12, so I guess could have been a lot worse. Next order up is going to be a seasonal bagel. This one is $8 going like 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee, $10 going 6 miles.
There's one, and then you have a bag. Drinks.
Drinks, okay.
Heck yeah.
There you are.
Thank you. And then?
Oh, thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. As if that wasn't already a really good order, slipped me a 20. That is crazy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I have no idea where this one's going, but we've got an order for a place called Who Song and Larry. Never heard of it, but this one is going 4 miles. Oh, it's this place. I think I've delivered here one time, a long time ago. Just got an add-on order. This one's going an extra 4 miles. Total for those two orders was $19 even. Was that worth it? It did take a long time, but I think it might have been worth it. And got this next order right away. This is a McDonald's going just under 3 miles. Total for that one was $7 and change. All right, I think it is time to start heading home. Current time is 9:31. Total will be on screen right now. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.